Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 11, Session 44, Acid-Base Review and Misconceptions. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to correct common acid-base misconceptions and connect pH, neutralization, and safety. Listen for these key terms: strong acid, weak acid, concentrated, dilute, corrosive. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Strong does not mean concentrated, and weak does not mean harmless. Strong and weak describe how much an acid or base ionizes in water. Concentrated and dilute describe how much solute is present per volume. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this: always separate identity, strength, and concentration. Then use evidence such as pH, conductivity, and reaction data to support claims. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now, let's work an example: strong versus concentrated. A 0.001 m HCl solution is a dilute strong acid. It is strong because HCl ionizes essentially completely in water, but dilute because there is a small amount of solute per liter. A 6M acetic acid solution is concentrated but weak because acetic acid only partially ionizes. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Neutral does not always mean safe to touch, and natural does not automatically mean safe. Safety depends on substance, concentration, exposure route, and conditions. Now answer this self-check. Does strong acid mean concentrated acid? A strong answer should include no. Hint: strong describes ionization, concentrated describes amount per volume. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Explain strong versus weak using ionization. Task 2. Explain concentrated versus dilute using molarity. Task 3. Give one safety reason to avoid judging chemicals by everyday names. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.